Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Are you looking to amp up your workout space? Then you want to check out these awesome hooks from KOMOHOM. I found that the anchors are really prepared for a tough workout so I can get a full workout in. The coating on the anchors is perfect so that you can use it with a variety of bands. One thing that I really appreciated is that these came with heavy duty screws so that it can be mounted to the wall. I do not live in a house that has great sheetrock, so being able to really firmly secure these to the walls really helps me to feel that I can get my workout in without having to worry about the band snapping in any way or with the hooks themselves coming off the walls. Of course, I did have someone help me and we used good anchors as well, so you want to make sure that they're really solidly fixed. These are awesome for doing standing exercises, or you can even come down to the floor and utilize your bands since they're mounted right to the wall. I want to point out that these anchors do not work with every band. So they are a small hole, and you'll notice that these bands fit very easily, but I do have a different kind that will not work with this. So keep that in mind when you're setting it up. I love variety in my workouts, and these add in such a great option. You can really do so much with your bands when they're mounted to the wall like this, and you can get tough with your workouts and stay as tough as these anchors are. But that's just my point of view.